make sure you guys give this video a like before we get started. It really helps out the channel. I'm just gonna set you guys up on my ring light here, just so we get some optimal lighting. 3, 2, 1. Look at that difference, right? It's crazy. Just grab my table here. All right, so let's get started, guys. A little bit about the kit. I bought it from HPT Auto, and like I said, I got it on sale for Black Friday. I spent $450 on it. Expect to pay, I think, anywhere between like $480 and $520 for yours. But I got the whole K24a install kit. This will also fit the K20Z3. It's already modified. It's already cut, precision CNC cut, so I didn't have to do any work. You just slap it on when you get the chance. All right, part number 1. It's not really a part, but we got some Honda Bond here. Good old Honda Bond. This will be good for, you're gonna need it, obviously, for the whole oil pan, the seal for the oil pan when you go to pull your oil pan off. And you're also gonna need it to apply on a screw that you're gonna have to block off a port. Ooh, look at that. Made in Japan, guys. Have an OEM. This is the baffle plate. This is the oil pump chain right here. I believe it's all K20. So this is the K20 chain for the oil pump. There is a ton of nuts and washers and all that stuff. This is all hardware you're gonna need. There's a small screw right here. I think this is where you plug that oil jet, or there's a port. You gotta put Honda Bond over this and take the screw that's in their stock out. So we got all our hardware. What is this? This is the oil pump guide. This is one of the guides right here. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll take it out of the bag for you so you have a better look. So essentially that's kind of where the chain rests, right on this guide right here. You can see the channels and stuff. And for the final product, I'm gonna take this out of the bag so you guys can see it. Here it is, guys. Here is the Type S oil pump. I got the little HPT engraved right in there. You guys could see that. And then you can see if I flip it over that this was precision cut right here to fit. I believe you have to cut on this side here, and you have to cut this, shave this bolt off. So this should just fit right on. It's super lightweight. So I'm really excited. I really don't know when I'm gonna install it, guys, but all I need to say is shout out to hptautosport.com. Seeing this thing, if I can go back, and while I was doing the swap, I really wish I listened to all you guys who told me to make sure you install one of these bad boys, because you're gonna regret it. And I'm really regretting it right now. And I'm not saying I can over rev the stock pump, but what I'm saying is this is actually beneficial in terms of like lightness, and just eliminating the balance shafts alone is going to free up, I don't know how much power you're going to free up, but essentially you're cutting weight regardless, so you're actually benefiting the engine. And it's been proven. I think these rev, correct me if I'm wrong down below, but I think you can rev up to like, I don't know if it's 9,500, maybe 10,000 RPMs these are tested to. So drop your comments down below, guys. This is not a 4-piston one, unfortunately. This is just a HPT, but I'm assuming it's very similar. So like I said, I'm very, very excited to finally have obtained one of these. It kind of took me a while to bite the bullet, but like I said, I regret not running this when I did the swap. But it is what it is. That's something I had to learn on my own, and I was also doing a budget build at the time. So I am very happy that I bit the bullet and spent this. One other time I actually tried to purchase this, it was out of stock. So I'm just like, all right, Black Friday, I was just shopping around. I'm like, oh, that's $50 off? Okay, if I don't order it now, I'm never gonna buy it. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I cannot wait to put this on. I don't know when I'm going to put it on. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments on like, yo, when you going to put it on, or are you going to do other supporting mods? Well, I'd like to rebuild the head. I'd like to put stiffer springs, but ideally I think it would be sick if I put the K20 head on the K24, but rebuild my K20 head. So there's a lot of, decisions going on right now, and basically seeing what would be the most beneficial. So this is a 100% direct bolt-on for K24s, the K24a, K24a2, and K20Z3s. So basically, just seeing this thing out of the box, I want to go and install it right on my car right now. But I know the wait is going to be worth it, guys. I'm not doing it at the house here. I might do it at my mom's, or I might just wait until I get a garage. I know I've been talking about a garage for a while, but I have some career changes coming soon, so hopefully I'll be able to, get everything situated and work on getting my own spot so I can have the time to do all these installs for you guys. Cannot wait to see how this is going to transform my car, just allowing more revs throughout the power band, as well as freeing up some little bit of power, which would be really cool. Hopefully the vibrations are not too bad. That's one of the reasons why I kept the stock pump, for anybody wondering. I wanted it to be quiet and as smooth as possible. So hopefully this is not too aggressive. Yeah, we'll be the high rev K24 club soon. So definitely stay tuned, guys, and I'll see you soon. I'm so happy that I forced myself to just pull the trigger on one of these things. And make sure you guys, give this video a like. Drop all your comments down below. I know a lot of you guys are running the Type S pump. What are you revving to? Drop your rev limits down below. Drop your reliability down below. And subscribe for more content, guys. I'll see you soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you're more excited than I am. And I cannot wait to get that thing installed. Like, part of me wants to just do it now, but I know it's going to be a decent amount of work with the engine in the car, so I might just wait until I have to, or if I have to pull out the engine. But yeah, I'm excited. I wanted to get that video out for you guys. My mind was telling me, I'm like, dude, get a video out for YouTube today, man. Just do it. And I had to push myself because I have some other stuff I need to do, obviously, but YouTube is important to me and stuff, and I want to keep connected with all you guys. So I'll see you soon. I got some video ideas planned, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.